Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to get off Instacart waitlist. All right, let's begin. Now, getting off the waitlist for Instacart is actually kind of complicated. Now, the waitlist actually exists here for people that are interested in Instacart, but then again, they are not yet approved to use Instacart. So in order for you to get past this one, the only thing that we could try doing here is to contact them. So in this case, in order for you to contact them, you want to open up any browser here. Go to instacart.com and go to the very bottom here until you see a section here that says Shopper Help. Let's go and expand this one, and you want to go and click on Help. Here, on this page again, scroll down and expand the Instacart section. Now select Contact Us from here. Now from here, there are multiple ways on contacting. You have customer support, shopper support, and retailer inquiries. So you want to go and click on customer support and click on get support. Now from here, you want to go and just log into your account if you've already created your account. But typically speaking, you just need to contact them or reach out to support and ask them to basically ask what is missing with your account in order for you to get started or start using Instacart here. Now, if you're moving in a different city that Instacart is available right now, you may want to inform them that you are moving in a different city and maybe they could push through with the waitlist here and maybe start in order for you to start using the platform or Instacart here. But yeah, so this is the only way for you to get into Instacart here and getting off the waitlist. So that's basically how you can get off Instacart waitlist. And that's it for this video. If you found this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.